Let's start the mean chapter from statistics, the exercise 14.1. Statistics exercise 14.1. Okay, we're going to solve the question number from 14.1, question number B1. This is the question. A survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness programs, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plant per house. And this is the question. Number of plants 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. And number of house, that is this number of trees and planted by one number of house. Number of house, 2 has planted this much of tree. For one house they have planted this much of tree. 6 they have planted this tree. Okay, let's see, we'll find out the solutions. This is a question. We are going to do the solution from direct methods first. That is solution. Number of plants 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6. This is the questions. And number of house, it means that number of house means one house has planted this much of tree, these two houses have planted this much of tree. Okay, we are going to find out the average number of tree planted by the house. Okay, total number of house. So number of house will be called as Fi, that is frequency. It is a frequency. Okay, we will take number of house as Fi, and then we are going to make this total. If we make this total, we'll get here 20. Okay, if you add it, 1 plus 2 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 2 17, 17 plus 3 20, and you have to give a sigma Fi is equal to 20. Then we are going to find out here mid value. Okay, how we can find out the mid value? Mid value will be indicated by xi. Okay, this number of plants, this is the class interval. This is the class interval. From here we are going to find out the mid value. MB is the mid value. Okay, and this is the formula here. Mid value is equal to lower limit. It is a lower limit, LOWER, lower limit, 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 plus upper limit, UPPER, upper limit, divided by 2. I've explained you this in the introductions of mean. Okay, you first see that classes so that you'll understand in very well. Okay, so what you have to do, this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. You have to add both this number. 0 plus 2, what we will get? 2. If we divide by 2, we will get 1. Okay, and as I have shown you also, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Then again, lower limit plus 4 is upper limit, plus it will be 6 divided by 2, it will be 3. Okay, in this way you can find out the mid value of this number. Okay, suppose 4 plus 6 is what? 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay, in every class interval, when you add upper limit, this lower limit and upper limit, you have to divide by 2. Okay, and you will get the half of that number. Okay, suppose here you see, suppose there is a 30. If you divide by 2, what you will get? 15. Okay, suppose 5 plus 5 divided by 2, it is 10. You'll get 5. in this way. Okay, after finding the mid value of two class intervals, suppose 0 plus 2 is 1, then 2 plus 4 is 3. What is the gap between 1 and 3? You see there is a 2. Okay, there is a 2. So you have to add you have to add two digit in each of the value. If you add in 1, if you add 2, what you will get? 3. If you add here also 2, what you will get? 5. In 5, if you add 2, what you will get? 7. If in 7, if you add 2, what you will get? 9. If you add again in 9 2, what you will get? 11. In 11, if you add 2, that you will get 13. It means if you get the mid value equal in each class interval, you have to add. Okay, you don't have to calculate again from here mid value. You don't have to calculate, you just add that number in every value. Okay, after finding the mid value, that is xi, what you have to do? You have to multiply this one fi, frequency, and mid value, that is fi and xi. You have to multiply this value, and this is the 1 into 1. What you will get? 1. That I have shown you also. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 into 7 is 35. 6 into 9 is 54. 2 into 11 is 22. 3 into 13 is 39. Okay, then what you have to do? You have to add this value. If you add this value, you will get 162. That it will call as the sigma fi xi is equal to 162. Okay, then we will use the formula. Now by using formula, we get mean x bar is equal to sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi is equal to, that is the total sigma value 162 divided by 20. We can cancel both numerator and denominator by 2. If we divide 2 adds the 16, 2 ones are 2, then 2 ones are 2 and 0. Okay, now this both numbers we cannot cancel by 2 because there is no even number. Okay, if we write 81 divided by 10, if we divide, there is 1 0, so we have to shift on the left hand side to one digit. So 8.1 plants, it is our answer. Okay, I think you have understood.